Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start decorating for Christmas, and I am going to begin decorating my cabinet, and it will be set up as a hot chocolate gingerbread station, and I'm going to use mostly Dollar Tree items and a few thrifted items, starting with this sign. This is a DIY sign. The frame is from the Dollar Tree, and I got this image off internet. It's a free image, and I added a Dollar Tree sticker, gingerbread sticker on it, and it turned out beautifully. And I'm going to use this tray to add my items, and I was going to use this as a runner to lay the scarf inside the tray to give it a cozy look. This is a Dollar Tree sign. I added some bows to it. Just hang this one on the wall here, and this sign I also added bows, and I'll just stick it right there for the time being because I like it. It matches the scarf. And this box is a thrifted box. I DIY'd it with Dollar Tree items, starting with the straws, window cleans, and gems on it, and also I added some bows, and these two items are thrifted items, and it turned out beautifully. And I got this box from the thrift store for only like $1, and I'm going to add it right there. And also I'm going to put extra candies inside the box. Okay. And these two jars are Dollar Tree jars, and I added window cleans and Dollar Tree ribbon, and I think it turned out beautifully. And in this jar, I probably will add, let's see, marshmallows maybe. Stick that right there. Jar is also a Dollar Tree jar. I added gems on it, and of course this little image is from the internet, the free image. And I will add cocoa packets inside of this jar because it's a little bigger than these two jars. And I think I will stick her in the middle. These are very simple DIYs, and this little topper I got from the thrift store for $1, and I will stick that on top of this jar. And these hot cocoa cups I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'll place one right there, and this one right there. And I love this little house. It's a candy storehouse. And let's see if I can turn it on. Oops. Okay. And maybe I'll stick that right there. Let's see if I can stick her right there for the time being. And let's see what else I have over here. And this is also a Dollar Tree box I purchased a couple years ago. And I think it's so cute. It goes well with the theme I got going on here. And I will stick her right there. So far, so good. And this little house, Dollar Tree, and she goes right there. I believe she can fit there. And let's see what else I have here. Okay. And I got some whipped cream topping for my hot chocolate. I'm going to use this container I purchased from Ross. It has a top with it. It's a shaker. I will put this inside of the shaker. And then I'm going to add some candy canes around it. Candy canes, Dollar Tree. Stick some of these around it. See if that, oh, it didn't break, good. Put these around it. Uh-oh. It looks like making me. Stick some in the front. Stick it in the front. Okay. All right, I'll cut those out. And this jar is going to be for the peppermint. I'm going to stick in this jar. I have two types of peppermints, but I will use these because I like these. These are very good. And I can open this up. I used to get more for $1. I think they cut back on. What does it fit? It might not fit in this jar. Let's see if this will fit. Well, these won't fit. These are my favorites, so I'm going to use the other peppermints. I'm going to use these peppermints instead of the sticks, peppermint sticks. Oops. This is a lot of peppermint, so that's a good why. This is the peppermint job, and this is going to be the cocoa packet jar. They have two flavors, the milk chocolate flavor and the marshmallow. I'm going to do the milk chocolate since I have the marshmallows. I'm going to stick that in this. Container. Probably have to fold it in here some kind of way. See if it folds down. I'll stick a few in the jar. Just fold it down. Probably could get like 4 in the jar. Okay, I put the packets inside the jar. I guess I can fit 4 or 5 inside the jar. Okay, now I got some marshmallows. Sometime when you purchase DollarTree food items, it'll be a little bit stale or sticky like these marshmallows. So luckily I had some left from last time. DollarTree marshmallows, miniatures. The marshmallows in that jar. And on top of the jar, I added a DollarTree sticker and also ribbon. I used double-sided tape. And very easy DIYs. All you do is just add onto the jar. And that is pretty much it. And now, I'm going to add some candy. This cute little bowl I purchased from the thrift store a few years ago. I think it was like $3.99. And I'm going to put some candy inside of it. Because these are the 3 main things I use in my hot chocolate. I use marshmallows, of course the cocoa mix, peppermint, and whipped cream. This is a thrifted jar. I use DollarTree sticker on that, a gingerbread DollarTree sticker. And little sprinkles in this jar. I want it to be very colorful. It don't necessarily have to be lined up perfectly. Just cute little DollarTree. Doesn't have to be. Oh, and I got one more thing I'm going to add, and I think I'll be done with this beautiful setup. I'm going to add some candy. And this little gingerbread man looks like a cookie, and I purchased this from Walmart. I'm going to use him as a cookie inside of a little bowl, along with these 2 little gingerbread decor items that look like cookies. And I'm going to add some kisses inside of the bowl because I love kisses. And I do have these cookies I purchased from the DollarTree, but they're so hard. They're hard as rocks. But I will stick these inside of this box. Those cookies inside the box. And I have some chocolates that goes inside the box as well. I also purchased these little spoons, chocolate spoons, and I will use those in my chocolate, hot chocolate, and I will stick that inside there. Along with these items I purchased from last time around. I just never got a chance to eat them, and to stick them all in the box. That is my box for all the goodies. They all go in the box. And my napkins, DollarTree. I will place them right there. Right there. And let me see if I can put that back on. Okay, I think that is the finished look of this very easy DIY gingerbread hot chocolate bar. And I hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys again next time. And I will be doing a update to my entertainment center. I'm going to decorate it very beautifully, do a little village, Christmas village on my entertainment center, and also I will be doing a living room and dining room tour. I hope you guys come back and check it out. I hope you guys
let's look at this room. Wow! That's true.
7. You like gingerbread?